Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about Henry Winkler, the legendary actor best known as the Fonz from the classic sitcom Happy Days. With a career spanning decades, and his continued presence in TV and film, fans have often wondered about different parts of his personal life. One common question is Henry Winkler gay? Let's break it all down. Henry Winkler is an American actor, producer, and author. He shot to fame in the 1970s as Arthur Fonzie Fonzarelli on Happy Days, a role that turned him into a cultural icon. Beyond acting, he's also been a successful director and producer, and more recently, he won an Emmy for his role on HBO's Barry. Off-screen, Winkler is admired for his humor, warmth, and advocacy for children with learning challenges, as he has spoken openly about his struggles with dyslexia. Speculation about Henry Winkler's sexuality mostly comes from the nature of celebrity culture, where fans are often curious about personal lives. Playing such an iconic and beloved character on TV, along with his long career in Hollywood, has led some to ask questions about who Winkler is outside of the spotlight. Is Henry Winkler gay? No, Henry Winkler is not gay. He has been married to his wife, Stacey Weitzman, since 1978, and the couple has 2 children together. Winkler has always spoken warmly about his family life and has never identified as gay. While he is a supporter of inclusion and kindness, his personal relationships have always been with women. Henry Winkler's legacy in Hollywood is defined not just by his role as the Fonz, but by his decades of consistent work and the respect he's earned both on and off screen. And when it comes to his sexuality, the answer is clear: he is not gay. Instead, he remains a devoted husband, father, and beloved figure in the entertainment world.